Planning a backpacking trip can feel intimidating, and you don't want to make a mistake that catches up with you on the trail. You don't need to plan perfectly. You just need a clear, simple way to plan well. And great trip planners think in three movements. They pre-plan, which is about designing your route. They pre-navigate, which is about visualizing your route and making contingencies. And they pre-communicate, which is about sharing your route with participants and loved ones. And Topo Maps Plus supports all three, helping you plan like a pro to reduce your mental load before you ever leave home. I love this app. So let me show you how to plan your backpacking trip with confidence, like I do, using Topo Maps Plus GPS. Step one is to pre-plan your route. When I open Topo Maps Plus, I'm not just looking at the trail, I'm asking the bigger questions. How remote is this area? What kind of terrain is this? How much elevation am I committing to? Where's the water? And if something goes wrong, how far are we from help? Prepared people don't guess, they pre-plan. And Topo Maps Plus gives you three advantages before you ever step on the trail. First, you can see the entire terrain. You can see the overall route of your backpacking trip. And you can see here that the trip starts at the trailhead here, and I've set a waypoint here to be our first campsite. And the way that you set a waypoint is simply to hold down on the screen until this cursor comes up, and you move the cursor to set a waypoint somewhere. I'm going to talk about waypoints later in this video and in detail in video 3, so check out video 3 for more information on waypoints. But here I want you to see that from the starting point to campsite 1, there's campsite 1, you can click on that trail segment and this information pops up, okay? What's showing in this box is what's happening between the trailhead and this first waypoint of day 1, which is my first night's campsite. You can see that from the trailhead to this campsite is 6.5 miles, and it has an elevation gain of 2,906 feet. You can also scroll down in this box and see the elevation profile and hear a 3D map trip preview that shows you what the trail looks like so you can take in the topography that you're about to walk through. How cool is that? You can zoom out to see the big picture of where you are. You can also zoom in to see the topography. So for example, here you can see the beginning of this hike is pretty tough. The contour lines are close together, which means quick elevation gain. I love that about this app because it helps me know exactly what I'm getting into. And that changes how you pace each day. Instead of guessing 7 miles doesn't sound that bad, you know 6.5 miles with an elevation gain of 2,900 feet on day 1 is doable. You know, because it's right here in Topo Maps Plus. So clarity replaces bravado on the trail and good morale when you arrive at camp. Second, before you hit the trail, you can identify water and campsites and different aspects of the terrain. Inside the app, you can drop a waypoint to create a campsite. So again, here's camp 1, but let's go up here to campsite 2. You can see that I dropped a waypoint by holding down and then putting that cursor where I want. There's all sorts of adjustments you can make to those. We'll talk about that later. But I also dropped an alternative campsite because if for some reason this area is occupied or the winds are just too much in these narrows, I've got an alternate camp, a camp in the tree line near the lake. So that's my bad weather ditch point. That is so helpful to know ahead of time rather than trying to figure that out in an incoming storm or if someone needs to stop. You can plan for your daily distances in a way that's reasonable for you or your group and study the terrain around the creeks and the lakes to find the best walking point as well as the best campsites. So let's take a look at the third campsite. You can see that I found a flat area near water. It doesn't have tree cover because this is above tree line, but you can see that I've picked a campsite that's just before a major elevation point on my route the next day. You can see here that we're going to start the day with some pretty significant ascent over Glacier Pass. So I don't want to just hope that there's a campsite up here somewhere. I want to be able to know right where I'm camping so that I don't have to attempt that ascent over that pass if I'm not ready to. I get to camp here, have a good meal, a good night's sleep, and get up early and summit this pass the first thing. That's good planning. You can see where the switchbacks are and where the flat recovery sections are and where the tree cover is to provide protection from sun and wind and storms and where it isn't. That's how responsible guides pre-plan. And by doing so, you reduce mental load before you ever go. And that matters more than you realize. Because when you pre-plan, you're not holding everything in your head. You've already studied the map, identified the good water, chosen the best campsites, and noted the alternate bailout routes. So when you're on the trail, cold, wet, or tired, you're not trying to make decisions from scratch. You're executing a plan you've already thought through. And that reduces overreaction, fuzzy judgment, and decision freeze, which makes you a more calm and trustworthy guide, and those you're leading enjoy the wilderness safely. I was planning an adventure trip in Wyoming, and I'd been to that area before, but never that particular route. I was also guiding 7 guys who had never been backpacking before, and the logistics started stacking up fast, and it felt pretty overwhelming. So instead of trying to hold everything in my head, I opened up Topo Maps Plus and let the map app do what it does best, help me see the whole picture. I could clearly see our starting point, the actual mileage, not just a trail name, where the terrain changed, where pacing would slow on steep climbs, and where we'd make good time on flatter sections of the trail, and where the best campsites would be near water for us every 6 to 8 miles with fishable streams nearby. And here's what that experience taught me. Good planning isn't about control. It's about visibility that invites wisdom. Topo Maps Plus helped me be a more confident guide. The guys experienced a challenging but doable trip. We stayed safe and had an unforgettable adventure. And that's the value of planning well. Using Topo Maps Plus, even before you step onto the trail, totally pays off. Want to go deeper? In this video, I'm showing you the why behind pre-planning. In video 2, I'll show you the how to combine a map, compass, and GPS into one resilient navigation system. And in video 3, I'll walk you step by step through the top features inside Topo Maps Plus. But for now, understand this. Pre-planning isn't overkill. It's what makes you a clear and calm leader on the trail. Now, why pre-navigate and what is pre-navigation? When I say pre-navigate, here's what I mean. You don't just draw a line on a map. You mentally travel the route before you ever leave home. You visualize the terrain, the distances, the campsites. Nutso? No. Because when you visualize your route, your brain begins to map the experience before your body ever gets there. It's why top athletes rehearse in their mind, because visualization or mental imagery activates the same neural pathways as physical exertion. So when the moment arrives, high-level athletes move with clarity instead of hesitation. The same neuroscience applies to hiking and backpacking. When you visualize your trip with mental imagery of the trail, the switchbacks, the campsites, the fishing spots, you develop neural pathways. And so once you're actually in the backcountry, walking your route, your mental rehearsal provides confidence to your body, to your nervous system, and that's infectious to those around you. So you can actually focus on experiencing the trip and not trying to figure it out. Pre-navigation reduces stress. It helps keep small surprises from becoming big problems, and it levels up your game. And that brings us to the third movement of great trip planning. Step 3, pre-communicating your route. I've helped a lot of families say yes to their loved ones going on a backpacking trip with me. And here's what I've learned. They don't need bravado or vague reassurance. They need clarity. It'll be fine, doesn't calm a spouse. But when someone shares, here's where we start, here's our route, here's where we're coming off the trail, it's reassuring. Whether it's just you or you're guiding a group, sharing your plan does 3 things. Let me walk you through them. First, it builds confidence because you're showing the big picture, the daily mileage, the elevation gains, the campsites, the challenging parts of the trail, and the scenic rewards. Second, sharing your plan gives peace because it shifts the narrative from he's disappearing into the wilderness to that's a really great plan. And friends and families really appreciate that. So do participants. Third, sharing your plan invites participation. With Topo Maps Plus, you can share a map link that creates an interactive web page anyone can use without even needing the app. Or you can export a route as a PDF to print or to email. That's building connection and trust before you ever leave home. When you pre-plan, pre-navigate, and pre-communicate your next adventure trip using Topo Maps Plus, you'll be prepared. That's how to plan a thoughtful, safe, and enjoyable backpacking adventure. The next step is learning how to navigate using a printed map, compass, and Topo Maps Plus app together. That's what we'll talk about in the next video, how to use a map and compass in the backcountry with Topo Maps Plus GPS. Check out that video next. Just click the link below because confidence doesn't start on the trail. It starts now. See you in the next video.